So we are here in Carolina, in the Kromkrans community, as Arshimeng, to come and lend a helping hand to the community of Kromkrans. It's locked down, it's day 20 or something, and things are not looking good, man. Families are hungry, kids need food, and we just need to do the little that we can to lend a helping hand.
So we at Arshimeng are out in Kromkrans, in Mpumalanga, next to our mine. We have partnered with Spar, Nevia and Ntabeni Logistics to deliver food to 96 families, obviously observing lockdown rules. Every family will be getting their parcel delivered door to door.
Good day, my name is Whoopi from Carolina Spar. I represent the Christie Group in Nelspruit. We joined this venture with the mines to support the local people that are less fortunate and the people that are struggling during this corona lockdown. Basic products that were supplied to them were washing powder, cooking oil, some salt, some soup packs, obviously some juice for the kids, just basically to fulfill the household and just to keep the family together in this tough time.
You know, mines need to carry their social responsibility, especially at such times. We particularly function in the lowest LSM community. So if we don't do anything to assist people that work with us on a daily basis and people who we work within in our communities, then we are leaving very important stakeholders unattended to.
Not only Arshimeng, but all people have to wear masks to protect themselves and their families from spreading the virus, from getting the virus. So that's why we are issuing it to our communities as well, to protect themselves.
What happened with Nevia has never contacted me, and they told me they would sponsor basic 400 ml cream from their side. So what I said is, what I will do is I'll match it, okay, even double it, so that we can make it a joint venture. Obviously our local community is important to us. If we didn't have them, my 54 staff members didn't have a job, and it is our priority to look after our community, and it's our obligation to fulfill children's needs as well, to grow up and have a good upbringing, as well as give them good education.
Ukuze sikhona ukuyenza lelo yethu ukuthi ichubeke kahle, sisebenzisane neArshimeng neSpar. Sasebenzisana nama-forum, i-business forum, ubukhosi, amakhansela, ne-unemployed. Sahamba sibhalisa la ezindlini ukuthi sithole inani labantu laba abahluphekile ngaphakathi ezindlini. Manje sesizawukhona ukuhamba singena house to house, sideliver lokudla ngesimo sokuthi angeke bakhona ukuza la kithi ngoba akufuneki kube ne-crowd, kufuna kube naleyo space esibakhona.
The process started with us, with our forum members who are local people, identifying families that need this type of assistance. Particularly, we're delivering to child-headed households and households that are led by the elderly people that have no source of income. The process was coordinated via WhatsApp. We have a WhatsApp group with our community members, and they would feed us information and updates on a daily basis. Following us having that list of companies as a mine, we came together with our stakeholders and raised the money that is needed in order to buy these packages. We approached Beiersdorf, who were more than willing to work with us, and they assisted us by providing us with self-care products as well as vouchers so that our community members can go and buy lotion or whatever it is that they need at the local Spar. Spar helped us out with their warehouse, with giving us, matching us on some of the products and also packaging them for us at their warehouse. And Ntabeni Logistics is helping us with the delivery because we can't bring people at once, so we needed all hands on deck. You can imagine having to go door to door to 96 different families.
Kubalulekile sima-community leaders ukuba involved kwethu ukuthi sisazi ukuthi ukuphepha kwethu sisebenza kanjani mayelana nokuphepha, sibuka ngokukhulu futhi nemayini ukuthi ikhona ekungenelela nayo kuloko umangameli asho ukuthi sisizakala ngakhona. Bakhona ukusilekelela ngama-food parcels, ama-sanitizer, ama-dust mask, esifana lezo ukuze umphakathi wakhe uhlale uphephile njengoba sibambisene nabo bayi-Arshumeng kanjena. Sibonga kakhulu kukhulu abasenzele kona, sibonga kakhulu konke kusho ukuthi ukuvakala kumengameli bakuvisisile, ingakho nathi take over from lapho siqhubekele phambili babisana impilo iqhubekele phambili. Siyabonga.